Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel, a makeup artist for kicks. Halloween is coming up, which I really love because this time I can be extra creative and fun with my makeup. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite looks for Halloween. It freaks people out, but it's perfectly scary and cute, and I hope you get inspired to try it out. We start priming our lids with Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. I'm using Flare Soft Sponge to blend out the primer. Now we're gonna use Morphe Avani Greg eyeshadow palette. The first shade we're using is Inaudible Noise, which is the white eyeshadow in the palette. We're gonna set the primer with this shadow. We're gonna start doing a regular black smoky eye using the shade Hidden. As a transition shade, we're using Chunky's Coffee. Make sure to press the pigment and then blend the edges. And then to blend all the shades, we're using the brush 205 Buffing Blending Brush from Beauty Act. Make sure to use circular motions to blend all the shades together. At this point, I really like to blend the edges thinking upwards, so I get a more cat eye effect. Now we're using Kylie Jenner Gel Eyeliner Pencil Matte Black. I'm applying this product on my waterline. Of course, you can use any product you want, but I highly recommend a creamy crayon. Next up, we're going to sketch the legs of the spider. And for that, we're using NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk. This product is helping us sketch where the legs should go. At this point, you can use as much as you want. You can go big or you can go small. Since it's Halloween, we're going all in, and I really want dramatic spider on my face, so we're doing really long legs at this time. Now that I have the sketch of the legs on my face, I know where they should go. So I'm taking Kyliner Kylie Jenner Black to draw the shape of the legs. After I draw the shape of the legs, I can just fill them up using the same product. Since we love the drama, I'm adding a lot of hair details. Now we're going to start adding some dimension into the spider. For that, I'm using NYX Epic Wear Waterproof White Eyeliner. Add the white eyeliner at the areas you want to highlight. This will add a three-dimensional effect. And adding even more dimension into the spider, now we're adding gray shades under the legs. It's very important to remember to add the shadows in the same side of the legs. Think of the areas that the spider is touching your face. In those areas, you want to add a darker shade. So we give the illusion that the spider is actually coming out of your eye and touching your face. And for that, I'm using Flair's 404 Detailed Eyeliner Brush. I am blending the parts where the spider is not touching my face with the brush 304 Detail Blending Brush from Flair. And to add even more intensity, I finish off using a black mascara. Today I'm using Precision Lift Impact Mascara from Beauty Act. And that is our last touch. That's it for today, guys. I hope you have a fantastic Halloween.